Hi guys, it's Joey and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a plan with me in my A5 Daily Duo Ring Agenda. I am planning for November 1st through November 7th, and I'll be using this adorable kit from Pink Planner Shop. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in watching, then I invite you to stick around. Alright guys, so let's get started. I bought this A5 Ring Agenda after they had already taken out the September through December. I think that's what it is. Anyways, for the 2021. And unfortunately, I did still want to use it for October, November, and December. So I ended up ordering a October through December 2022, and then I'm redating it. So it works. I'm making it work, and I can use it now instead of waiting until January. But this kit, like I said, is from Pink Planner Shop, and it is a regular vertical style kit. It is not an A5, and I really love the way it turned out. I know it's not, for a daily duo, but it works great. In the Pink Planner Shop, sorry, I'm tongue-tied today, guys. In the Pink Planner Shop, she actually gives you tons of different washi styles that you can choose from, and that's pretty perfect, actually, to do each day in a different washi, or I guess every 2 days in a different washi. So I was able to do that for all 7 days without having any issues with that. And then, of course, I just used the date headers at the top, just like I would any other vertical style planner. There's also these little, I guess they're like 1x1 squares that fit almost perfectly over the calendar that is in the top right hand corner of the Daily Duo pages, and I thought that worked out really well. I basically just had to white out the bottom dates of the little calendar, and then I was able to put that little square sticker right over it, and it works great. And then I just used the header to kind of separate the top from the to-dos, and then I also have a little home section that I put at the bottom. So as you can see, I'm really just putting down all of these squares and the little headers on each one of the sides, and after I get done doing that, I'm going to come back in and put down some home stickers. So I'll show you that here in a second. I failed to mention that she does only have 6 of those 1x1 boxes, and so then I had to use a half box for Sunday, which is not really a big deal because when I end up going in later with my top 3 of the day, it doesn't really matter. So it pretty much works out fine for that. She also only gives you 4 of the top 3, so I have a bunch of other heart checklists that also come in the kit, and you'll see me here in a second. I'm going to be cutting those down to where there's only 3 for each one, and then I'll be using those for the remainder of the other 3 days of the week. And so as you can see, I'm getting ready to start doing that as soon as I can move that to the side. Here it is. So these are all the checklists, and basically there's like 8 of them, and I just used 3 of them. I cut them down, and it worked out pretty well. So this kit is called Book Cafe, and it gives me all of the fall vibes for autumn and reading and coffee, which I dearly love. And all of the full boxes that she has are so beautiful. They're so pretty in this kit, and It was really hard to choose which ones to use because she gives you so many of them. I'll show you here in a second how many I have left over. There's like a ton left over. I could definitely get another week out of this kit if I really wanted to, at least for the full boxes I could. But I decided to go through and just lay down all of my full boxes down here at the bottom. I don't really yet know what I want to do with this section. I'm just kind of, I don't know. I'm just kind of waiting to see what comes back, like what comes out of it organically. So there you can see I had like a ton of full boxes left over, and also a couple of like taller boxes that you could use on your sidebars for a vertical kit. Here I'm just putting all of my top 3s over each one of the 3 heart checklists, and then I'm going to come back in and put down additional checklists. Oh, I do have some things that I'm going to go ahead and lay down. I'm laying down all of my work stickers, and then I also, once I get done laying down all my work stickers, I'm going to lay down like all the appointments that I know I have coming up. Like, I know I have professional development coming up this week. I have parent-teacher conferences coming up this week. I'm starting home instruction this week with a student. Like, I just have so much going on, and it's been really helpful to use this planner. I didn't really realize how much I would enjoy it until I actually got into it, and it's been really helpful. It does give me all the space I need as far as like my to-dos. I definitely don't feel restricted in that area, but I also am able to just see how my schedule is laid out for the day, which is really nice. I enjoy that. Okay, so once I get done putting down all of my schedule and what events I have going on this week, which you'll see here in a minute, I will go back in and put down some checklists, and you'll see that here in just one second. I do want to say that also in this kit you get a ton of quarter boxes, half boxes, and then like 1.5 boxes. I don't know how else to put it, but there's so many different sizes, and they actually fit really perfectly in the A5 because they basically span the hour or hour 2.5 to 2 hours for each one of these boxes. It's pretty amazing actually how well they fit. I was kind of impressed with that. I know they're not like super long, but I don't really need it to be the whole width of the line. So anyways, it worked out really well. Pretty much I'm coming to the end of the week where I'm just kind of laying down what I know is going on. I'm just laying down, this is like one of the headers, and I decided to make it one of the lines that kind of just shows my husband and son-in-law are going to a Bengals game this next Sunday, and I just wanted to show basically the timeline of it. So there's the checklist that I was talking about. She gives you, I think, 8 of those, and they fit pretty perfectly to the lines on the A5, which I was kind of impressed with. I will say this is a print and cut kit, so if you have the ability to do that with a Cricut or a Silhouette, I have a Cricut and it works out great with my Cricut. So I've never had any issues with her kits. So anyways, once I get down all the checklist, that's pretty much it for all of my plan with me for today in my daily duo. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. And if you would like to receive more of my content, then I invite you to hit the subscribe button below. And that way you can continue to receive my content. Also, if you want to know when I upload new content, if you'll hit the bell notification, that will also let you know when I have uploaded new videos. Alright guys, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.